How to transfer WIX website to client. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer WIX website to a client. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser. Then in the search bar, you need to type WIX. Then this will open your WIX website. Once you're in your WIX website, make sure that you are logged in. Now that you are logged in, this will take you to your dashboard. That is the back end of your website. You need to simply scroll until you find the settings option over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on settings. Now from here, you need to scroll down. In the general, you can see an option that says roles and permissions. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. And now from here, as you can see, I am the owner now. If you want to change the ownership, you need to simply go ahead and click on change owner. That cannot be done for now as there is some problem in the website. But if you want to give them permissions, you need to simply go ahead and click on manage roles. And from here, you can add them as a co-owner. In order to do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on three dots located in the side of it. And from here, you need to click on invite collaborators. Now, once you do that, you can simply enter the email of the person that you want to have as a co-owner of your profile. Once you have added the email, you need to simply go ahead and click on send invite. Now, you can choose whether you want to have them as an agency or freelancer or colleague. Here, I'm going to simply choose them as a client. And once you have done, you need to simply click on done. And as you can see that the invitation was sent to the person successfully, and if they accept the invitations, they will have the position of a co-owner on your website. And that's it. You now know how to transfer ownership to a client on your WIX website. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.